Hi everyone, in this video let us see how to enable macros in Microsoft Excel. If you opened Microsoft Excel and it shows the error Microsoft has blocked macros, let's see how to fix this. The first step, select Options, then select Trust Center, then go to Trust Center Settings. Here under Macro Settings, select Enable VBA Macros and click OK. You can see that the error is still not removed. So we have to do a second step. Go to the file location and right click on the file. Then select Properties. Here under the Security tab, select Unblock. Then Apply and click OK. And that's it. VBA Macros is now enabled for your Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.